So I got a noise coming from the car. It only happens when I'm in tap shift or manual mode, and can't hear it from the inside. The only time that I could hear it, and this is when I noticed it, is when I was parked beside a building, and it was pretty prevalent. Actually, it was pretty loud. So it's not something that could be heard from the inside. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this camera underneath the car and then underneath the hood, and I'm going to have it in manual mode so that you can hear the noise it's making. So let's go ahead and get this underway.